Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce the new products on my right hand. This is a countertop styling the shawarma machines. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, the length is about like a 21 inches wide. And the overall depth is almost about like a 25 inches deep. The height of the unit is about like a 32.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they're coming with a 1, 2, 3 burners. On side of it, they have individual controllers. You can adjust the fire, the heat to controlling the temperatures. And at the bottom, they have a small drains, and they can collect all the dust to the bottom this tree, and you can clean it. And when we see look in the bottoms of the units, we can see a switchers, a green buttons over there. And so the units coming with a 110 standard plug from the manufacturers. They can help you to operating the motors in the center. And on the side of the units, they're having the ETL sanitation stickers from the health department approvals. And also they do having the manufacturer informations. They do have a BTU information on side too. And also from the manufacturer, they offer the adapters. You can use it either for the natural gas or liquid propanes. And also they offered these regulator plugs and converter keys from the manufacturer, the manual books. And this will be all information about the products. So if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.